Cześć, mam na imię Robert.
Hi, my name is Robert, and today I'll show you how to check the performance of a selected heat exchanger for different operating parameters. I'll demonstrate this using an example of selecting a heat exchanger for domestic hot water. Go to the single-phase module and choose Plate and Frame. Click Next, and here, enter all the data required for the selection. Let's specify the heat load and temperatures. Since in this example, we're assuming the exchanger will be connected to a district heating network, I'll select a design pressure of 16 bar, a design temperature of 130 degrees Celsius, and click Calculate. Cairo has now provided a configuration for the exchanger, and I can save it to my project to avoid losing this selection. To recalculate this same exchanger for winter conditions, click Performance. At this point, Cairo remembers the channel configuration it just selected. Now, you can input the winter temperatures for this exchanger and click Calculate. It's important to click the button with your mouse rather than pressing Enter on your keyboard. And there you go, Cairo has recalculated the performance of the same exchanger for different parameters. We've now discussed an example using a plate and frame heat exchanger. If you'd like to do the same for a brazed plate or shell and tube exchanger, the easiest way is to perform the selections in separate browser tabs. In the One tab, make the selection using the default operating parameters and note which exchanger appears in the results. Then, in another tab, where you'll recalculate the exchanger for different parameters, select the exact same exchanger from the product tree. I hope this was helpful.